I use a lot of features on my figures that I lift directly from old master paintings, and Rubens' painting of his daughter Clara Serena is perfect for this because she's staring directly at the viewer. And it's the way that art has always been. It's like a real mash-up of everything. Like, you can't take away the language that's gone before. Rubens' approach to using classical poses in his work is something that's quite contemporary. It's something that a lot of contemporary artists do. And this is a selkie, which is a shape-shifting human seal. I wanted to find a nice pose of a recumbent figure, and I just thought of the dying Gaul. He has all of his brave warrior accessories at his feet, whereas my figure, she has a factor 50 in her Crocs. I think there's definite parallels, and I've not done this deliberately to reference Rubens, but I do really appreciate the way he incorporates contemporary 17th century accessories in his portrayals of goddesses, which makes them into a more tangible, relatable being. Because a lot of my work is based on the way people want to present themselves now, I've had people who've sort of said, oh, you've made like a chavvy figure, isn't that funny? And actually, I don't think I've made a chavvy figure. I think I've made somebody that I see on the street every day. I am interested in the sort of power dynamics of male and female and sort of traditional roles, but also the way people want to present themselves. One of the sculptures I made recently is St Michael fighting the devil, and it's based on a 16th century Flemish painting of a male St Michael in armour. My protagonist is female, and she's got like fancy dress angel wings on, and she's taking a selfie to sort of document her defeating the devil. I mean, I think the foot in the mouth is quite funny, especially for that young woman to be sticking her foot in a mouthful of sharp teeth. I don't think it's important for people to have a sort of classical education to look at my work or even to look at Rubens' work. I think that's the sort of beauty of depicting people, really, is because it's a universal subject.